My name is Sloan.
And my name is Sloan's mom, Stephanie.
And we will be doing the Chubby Bunny Challenge. And what you need to do the Chubby Bunny Challenge are marshmallows. And after you do it, you can spit your marshmallows in a cup. Thank you for letting me grab that. And so, let's get started. But since our marshmallows are big like this, we are going to rip them up. So I just wanted to get some napkins that we could put it on. Whip up into little pieces. Sorry, but you guys might want to skip this.
Well, you want to start over? Because then we can have them ready.
Okay, now, that's probably enough.
Okay. Okay.
Now, let's do it. So we put one marshmallow in our mouth and we say Chubby Bunny. Let's do it. It's my turn.
Oh.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
I'm probably gonna win. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Whoa. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
I'm probably gonna win because you like. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Sorry, I gotta peel some more. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Good boy. Good boy.
Yuck.
You lost.
I lost.
It's gross because like. So I won. My mom lost. Bye.